Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm TechnoTrend, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the best wallpapers there are in the App Store. Now I found a dedicated application that does give you the best wallpapers that there are. You guys can download them and add them to your camera roll, as well as you guys can add them and send them to friends. Also, if you guys want, you guys can send the application itself by linking it and sending it to them, or you guys can send this video so they can install it from there. Alright guys, be sure to install this application. It does work. You can also favorite it, check the most popular app, and cool stuff like that, guys. Please leave a like and a subscription if you guys do enjoy this video. Let's get on with today's video, guys. Alright guys, switching over to iPhone cam. So basically in today's video I'm going to be talking about this application called Everpix. It's a really good application, but before we get started, if you guys have not seen latest video, it's OfferUp. It's on OfferUp. It's a really good application if you guys want to get cheap iPhones from there or cheap stuff. So go ahead and check that out, link in the description, or just click on my channel and click on the video. Alright, so let's get started with this video. Everpix. Once you go inside Everpix, it comes with a nice intro of a picture like a butterfly. These wallpapers are actually really close to 4K. If anything, they're like one of the closest, and they're all right here. So basically, if you tap, it'll show you how it'll look with icons, how it look like with the time, and like that. So it'll give you a really nice preview of the application. So if we go here, you guys can see the popular ones that people have chosen. So let's go to popular. So once you go to popular, you guys will be able to load in these nice wallpapers. Now there are advertisements, obviously, because this is a free application, but I hope you guys do stick with it. So once you click the X on the application, you can keep swiping. Once you find a really nice one, let's say, sorry about that, more advertisements, let's say this one. Click the download in the middle, click OK to allow access to your photos. So once you go to photos, you guys can see that the wallpaper did come into your images. All you have to do is click the little button down there, go to use as wallpaper. You guys can choose what wallpaper and where you guys want it. Alright guys, that's basically it for this entire tutorial. Hope you guys did enjoy. Be sure to leave a fat like down below and also a quick subscription to my channel. Be sure to leave me some constructive criticism on what I can improve. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy.